If you like street food and fun, you'll love Wisconsin's newest indoor food truck experience. It's a casual, carefree vibe where every hour is happy hour. This is the most unique spot in Wisconsin Dells to get grilled cheese, there's a taco truck, pizza burgers, unique shakes and ice cream desserts. There's loads of choices for everyone in the family to eat. They have Immobile food trucks, which have been reclaimed from a junkyard, and they serve different types of food from each truck. They also have refurbished Volkswagen vans that act as, I guess a restaurant table. Anyway, you can use them as a seating option. There's also a Greyhound bus that hangs from the ceiling, and there is areas to eat and sit in that as well. You can come here to cheer on your favorite team, enjoy live music, Tuesday trivia. There's games outside, a giant Jenga and a cornhole game. The Grateful Shed is located near Mount Olympus Resort and right next to Big Chief Go-Karts. It's located at 1470 Wisconsin Dells Parkway in Wisconsin Dells. We hope you enjoy it as much as we did.